Hello everyone, it's Kyo again, Auto Gravity. Today we got a Apple CarPlay installed in a Mercedes W205 C class. The C class station wagon, but yeah, it can do for any C class, right? Let's have a look. Right, so that's the one, W205 C class with the command NTG5 navigation system. So we have already installed and connect to the iPhone. So we just press media here to switch to the interface. Yeah, 3 seconds. So that's it. It's beautiful, right? Apple CarPlay installing the large screen command assistant, full screen. So let's have a look here. See what the supported apps. Got the Google Map. Hey Siri, take me to the office.
I don't know your work address.
Anyway. Phone.
Who do you want to call?
Cancel. Music. Let's see. Spotify maybe. Yep. iHeartRadio. Yep. What else? Music. Yeah. Basically, just like a normal Apple CarPlay. So since the 2014 to 17-18 C-Class hadn't got the Apple CarPlay originally, so this one is a good option to add on with the Google Map, especially with the traffic. It's beautiful, right? Nicely done. Large screen.